In today's video, we'll show you how to place pending orders on MatchTrader. First, let's navigate to the instrument window. Here, select the instrument you want to trade. Now, click on New Order, and you will see the order window. Take a quick look at the market window. This is where you place trades at market execution. We'll now move to the pending order window. Here you can adjust the lot size using these icons, or you can simply enter the lot size you want to trade. Next, adjust the price you want to set the pending order at. Remember the basics. Sell limit and buy stop are set above the market price. Buy limit and sell stop are set below the market price. Here's an interesting thing. If you enter a price above the market price, you'll only see options for placing a sell limit or buy stop. Similarly, if you enter a price below the market price, you'll get options for a sell stop or buy limit. The platform automatically adjusts the order types based on the price you've entered. And guess what? You can also adjust the price for your pending order directly on the chart by dragging the pending order line displayed here. Now, you can see details such as the required margin, available free funds, commission, and the current spread. And add a stop loss and take profit from right here. Once everything is set, click Sell or Buy, and the pending order will be placed. You can check the pending order in the Pending Orders tab at the bottom of the platform right here. That's it. You've successfully placed a pending order on MatchTrader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.